Adcreative.ai honest review in 2025. In today's video, I'm going to give you my honest review of Adcreative.ai after using it throughout 2025.
So what does it do? It uses AI to generate ad creatives, both image and text, for Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, and more. You input your brand, product info, and goals, and it gives you fully designed creatives with headlines and CTAs. Here's what I liked: the speed. I could generate 50 ad designs in under 10 minutes. It also learns from your winning creatives and improves over time. For someone who's not a designer, this was a game changer. But here are some cons. The visuals can feel generic unless you tweak them. Also, the AI generated text sometimes need manual editing to sound more human. Pricing is mid-range, but if you're running regular ad campaigns, it's worth it for the time saved. Overall, I'd recommend it to small business owners and solo marketers who don't want to hire a designer. And that is my honest review of AdCreative.ai in 2025.